Y'all, I got 3 words for you: spicy, queso, smashburger. Guys, you ain't gonna wanna miss this one because we are using our new Guy Fieri Flavortown laser titanium pots and pans. These pans are non-stick, but not like traditional non-stick pans. These have no coating and no chemicals, so you know you don't have to mess with all that bad stuff that you hate to see on your pots and pans. Listen, we can throw this in the oven, 700 degrees. These are easy to clean and they're 3 times harder than stainless steel. And another good thing about these pans, you can use metal utensils on them because they don't have that traditional non-stick coating. But we're using this metal spatula for our smash burgers, and I'm gonna show you my patent pending spatula and seasoning smashing technique. It's patent pending, but it works great. First, we gotta start off with that queso, baby. Now this is easy. This is my go-to queso recipe. We're going in with a pound of American cheese. Throw half a cup of milk in there. Then we're going with a cup of pepper jack, sweet and spicy barbecue rub. And then we're going in with that tomato and chili mix. Just let it heat through on medium, come together. Okay, it's as smooth as can be. Nice and melty and ooey gooey. So for these smash burgers, we got some 80-20 ground beef balls, about 3 ounces. We've already toasted up our buns. We already cooked up our bacon. We got some tortilla strips. We have some jalapenos, American cheese, and a little bit of salt, pepper, garlic, barbecue rub that we're gonna put on there too for seasoning. And I'm excited about using this frying pan. Let's get it fired up, baby. We're going high heat on this one. With smash burgers, you want this thing ripping hot. Gonna give them a little seasoning over the top here. Give them a quick 10-second count. Now let's get to smashing. Use that metal spatula and your shaker of seasoning and get it as flat as it'll go. Give it a flip. Look at the beautiful color on them burgers. These cook in no time at all, so let's add our cheese on top. Of course, we're going American. We got our star of flavor. That's 2 pieces of American cheese. All right, burgers are done. Let's build this bad boy. Going in with this first monstrosity. This is a beast and a half. Got 6 pieces of bacon. Big heaping spoonful of that queso. Little donkey sauce. And we got our little tortilla strips. You guys like it spicy, don't you? Pow. This is the spicy queso smash burger in all its glory. Now I know what you all are thinking. This burger's done. Is he gonna eat it on camera? No, he's not. I have a hard enough time keeping all this straight while I'm talking to the camera, spitting my lines, all that stuff. This thing, we are not putting that on camera for the whole world to see. Just trust me, you know it's good, baby. Y'all, if you wanna get some of this Flavortown Cookware, there's a link down below in the video description. It is an affiliate link, but it doesn't cost you any more to use it. Guys, I'm digging this stuff, so make sure you check it out, all right? If you'd like to become a show producer, like all the awesome people scrolling in front of me, people that are gonna run right out, well, stay in, but click that link in the video description to get some of that Flavortown Cookware. There are 2 ways to join up. Either you can hit that Patreon link in the video description or hit that join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now. But other than that, guys, we're done. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.